are going to discuss the topic alcohol, phenol, and ether, part 2. In the last video, we have discussed about the preparation of alcohols that will be continued. So, my dear students, we are going to start the topic preparation of alcohols. Preparation of alcohols. First, by amines and nitrous acid, or from amines and nitrous acid. So my dear students, whenever amines are reacted with nitrous acid, it always forms alcohol, water, and nitrogen gas. For example, ethylamine C2H5NH2 is reacted with nitrous acid. Formula is HNO2. On reacting, it forms C2H5OH plus it will form water H2O plus it will form nitrogen gas. 1 degree amine on always reaction with nitrous acid forms alcohol. Second, that is second we can say that it is formed from molasses. Molasses is commonly called as cane sugar. Okay, the formula of cane sugar is C12H22O11. This cane sugar is fermented in presence of yeast and it is hydrolyzed with water. Yeast produces the enzyme that is called as invertase. Invertase enzyme. That invertase enzyme breaks molasses, that is sucrose, into glucose and fructose. The general formula, both the hydrocarbons are same but their functional groups are changed. Then this glucose, that is C6H12O6, on further heating with yeast, fermenting with yeast, it produces another enzyme, that is zymase, and converts glucose into alcohol, that is C2H5OH. Ethanol plus carbon dioxide gas is released. Okay students, then come to the third preparation, that is from Grignard reagent. From Grignard reagent, the general formula is RMGX, or we can say R can be CS3, so it is CS3MgX means halogen, light Br or Cl. So it is CS3MgBr, commonly called as Grignard reagent. IUPAC name is methyl magnesium bromide. First, formation of 1 degree alcohol, we take formaldehyde. That formaldehyde reacts with Grignard reagent, that is CS3MgBr. This on reaction with Grignard reagent forms an unstable compound, that is H bond C bond CS3 bond OMgBr bond H on the central carbon atom. This unstable compound on hydrolysis in acidic condition forms ethanol, that is C2H5OH, and the byproduct is MgOHBr, that is magnesium hydroxybromide. Second, we talk, that is preparation of 2 degree alcohol. We take acetaldehyde. That acetaldehyde reacts with Grignard reagent CS3MgBr. On reacting, it forms again an unstable compound, that is CS3 bond C bond CS3 bond H bond OMgBr. This again unstable product on hydrolysis under acidic condition, that is H3O positive, it forms 2 degree alcohol propane 2-ol, that is CS3 bond C bond CS3 bond H bond OH, and the byproduct is magnesium hydroxybromide, again MgOH and Br. Then third comes, that is preparation of 3 degree alcohol. For 3 degree alcohol we take acetone. a group of ketone. This acetone is reacted with Grignard reagent, that is CH3 MgBr. On reaction, it forms an unstable compound again, that is CH3 bond C bond CH3 and bond CH3 bond OMgBr. This unstable compound on further hydrolysis under acidic condition, that is H3O positive, it forms 3-degree alcohol, that is CH3 bond C bond CH3 bond CH3 bond OH, that is 2-methyl propane 2-ol 3-degree alcohol. Then come to physical properties of alcohol. Physical properties of alcohol. Students, alcohols, that is lower alcohols, are generally soluble in water. Lower alcohols are generally soluble in water. Lower alcohol includes methanol, ethanol, propanol. Are generally soluble in water. It is just because soluble in water, it is just because the presence of hydrogen bonding. It is just because of hydrogen bonding. As we ascend in the higher alcohol, this hydrogen bonding get disappear, hence its solubility decreases. But the lower alcohols are highly soluble in water, and it is due to presence of hydrogen bond. Second, we say that alcohol melting and boiling point, MP and BP, are very high. Alcohol high melting and boiling point as compared to isometric hydrocarbon and ether. Isometric means almost same molecular mass. For example, we can say ethanol, that is C2H5OH, and dimethyl ether CH3OCH3. They have same general formula, same molecular mass, same number of bond, but the difference is that alcohol have high melting point and boiling point due to formation of hydrogen bonding, whereas the ether lack that formation of hydrogen bond. With this, we are going to end the topic. Thank you.